Hi everyone. So I remember saying in one of my videos that lipsticks are an essential for every girl's wardrobe. Well, I still agree to it. But the second close essentials are nail paints or nail polishes or nail enamels or nail lacquer. We have 100 names for them, but it still means nail polish or nail paint, the color that we put in our nails. As much as lipsticks, even a nail paint can dress up and dress down a very cool dress and give you like 100 more points on your outfit. Also, a good nail paint can actually make your day, while a bad nail paint can actually ruin the entire look. So I will be talking about 10 categories of nail paints. I'm showing 5. Actually, I have something in my hand. 10 categories of nail paints that I think one should have. And just to tell you how I store my nail paints, so I store them in a basic tray like this, a Nyasa tray, in like this. I just keep them there. At times I color code them, at times I don't, but mostly I keep them in this tray and they stay safe. So let's get started with the 10 categories. First category is definitely going to be the red nail paint. As the red lipstick is very much essential, the red nail polishes are also very essential. My pick for the best red nail polish is either Nykaa. This is the shade. If you can see, I've put this in close up. This is shade name Very Cherry. You can get it from the Nykaa website as well. Or the second one is from the Lakme Color Crush range. This is the shade. If you want to compare it with this is a bit on the cherry side, this is a bit on blood red side. This is shade number 31 from Lakme. You don't have to worry, I'll be sharing the shade names down below. I do not remember the prices. As much as I would know the prices, I would link that down below as well. So this is my first category, the red nail polish. Second we have is wine or berry shade. So both of my wine or berry shades are from Color Show, the Maybelline range. I will show you these are the colors. So this is a plain wine, while this has some bit of glitter to it. I use them mostly together, so I put one coat of this. The shade name is Downtown Red from Maybelline Color Show, and one coat of Velvet Wine from Maybelline Color Show again, that's the shade name. So I put them together mostly. These are my picks for the berry wine colored nails. They look very good with Indian wear, by the way. Mostly in weddings, this is the color, the go-to color for me. Next I'll go to the light pinks. So in light pinks, my favorite pick is Rose Sharbat from Nykaa. Whenever I wear this nail color, most of you would ask me which nail color am I wearing, which is why this becomes my absolute favorite. The second one that I have is actually the one that I'm wearing right now. So this, I can actually give you a demo of it. This is Lakme Color Crush in shade number 22. Lakme does not name it to have its shade names. So this is the Lakme Color Crush in light pink. I really love this color, and mostly if you use these together, so on one nail you use Rose Sharbat and on one nail you use shade 22, they look very good, like they dress up a very cute pink dress very well. So which is why I like it. The third one that I'll be showing you is the shade number Fuchsia from a nail brand known as Chumky. This is the kind of shade, if I can show you. This is a soft mauve kind of a pink, and it looks it's a very good everyday wear kind of a look. Very good everyday wear kind of a nail paint. You can wear it absolutely with any, like I've never seen a dress which cannot which this color cannot do justice to. So this is the soft mauve in the color Fuchsia. I don't know why they've named it Fuchsia. It's hard from Fuchsia. And the light pink that I have is Cotton Candy from Nykaa as well. So this is the shade. This is a very light shade. As you can see, the Rose Sharbat is a pretty nude mauve kind of a shade, and this is a very light what shall I say, bubblegum kind of a shade. So this is my fourth pick in pinks. Next I would be going to the dark pinks. Those were light pinks that I shared with you. So in dark pinks, I feel that you should have one pop pink, which is this Kiss Me Red from Maybelline Color Show again. So this is a very pop kind of a purpley pink kind of a color for that pop day when you're like, it's a pretty neon color, as you can see. The second color is actually a peachy pink kind of a color. I don't know whether I can put it in light or dark, but it is very dark on the nails, that's why I've put it in dark. So this is Color Bar Quick Finish in the shade Beautiful Pink. So this is the shade. It's a very what shall I say, it's a very classic pink kind of a color. It's not dark, it's not light, that's why I put it in darks. And the third one is actually a proper dark pink that you can see this color to be. This is Revlon in the color Cherry Berry. So this is a very dark pink. Mostly looks good with a lot of Indian outfits, as far as I understand, as far as I've seen it. So these are the three dark pinks that I would advise you to have. Next come the nudes and peaches. Now I'm not putting a separate category to nude because I feel all the colors, rather pink and peach mostly, can have a nude shade to it. So which is why I'm including in peach, and one I've already included in pink, the nude pink, the rose sharbat. So the nude peach that I have for you is L18 nail pops in the shade name 63. I guess I've shown this in my nail kit also, in my work kit also before. So this is a proper orange peach kind of a nude shade, which I would advise you to have. The second is a proper peachy color from Nykaa in the shade name Strawberries and Cream. So this is the shade. It's a very cute summery shade, a proper classic peach shade, as I would say. And a very toned down peach is from Lakme Color Crush. As you can see, it's looking a little pink on camera, but it actually comes very peachy on the nail. So this is shade number 19. I would show you I would show you a comparison. This is how this color is looking on my nails, and this is the peach color. So if you can make a comparison if it's looking pink to you. So these are the nudes and peaches. Now I feel every girl should have a purple color also in their wardrobe. So the ones that I have are Catrice in dark purple. I do not have the shade name, I'll link it down below. And the second one, which I've taken a sneak peek of, is Maybelline Color Show in the shade Blackcurrant Pop. This is the lavender color. So whichever you prefer, a dark purple or a light purple, you should have one purple also in your nail color wardrobe. Next, I'll suggest you some experimental colors. I'll be showing you the colors and you'll understand why I'm calling them experimental. So the first one is actually a mustard yellow color. These are unbranded, so I won't be telling you like which brand it is from or which shade it is. This is a mustard yellow shade. The second one that I have is actually a metallic blue kind of a shade. These look very good as like the second color, or if your dress is matching like these two kind of colors or a certain experimental colors, you can actually dress it up a little. Mostly I use my experimental colors to be like unbranded only, because I use very less quantity of it as well. But one experimental color that I actually have is Nykaa in the shade name Mint Meringue or something is the shade name. Mint Meringue. Okay, I'll link it down below. It is the shade number 65. As you can see, it's a beautiful sea green kind of a color. Looks very good in summers, and which is why I have actually taken a branded color, nail polish for an experimental color. So these were the experimentals. Next is the metallics. So a gold and a silver color is very essential for if you want to have a two colored kind of a nail paint, or also if you do some nail art, these two colors would come in really handy. The gold that I have is from Color Show in the shade name Bold Gold, which is what it is. It's a very bold gold. This does not have shimmer, by the way. And the silver that I have is Revlon in Color Show, or rather Silver Shower, Revlon Silver Shower. It's not Color Show. Color Show is Maybelline. So this is the silver. A good gold and a good silver comes in very handy at all occasions. Like, I can't put more importance to it. Next, I'm coming to the basics, which are the whites and the blacks. So the black that I have is not of a branded, is not branded. I don't know what brand this is, but a basic black nail polish is essential, and also a white, which is Color Show in the shade name Porcelain Party. Now a black and a white color come really handy on many occasions, just like metallics. So I've used them in weddings, I've used them in workwear. On days when you don't want any particular color on your nail, you can use a pure white or a black color, and it looks very classy as well. It looks like you have manicured nails done, which by the way I don't have right now. And the last category are the clears. So I can't emphasize more on having a clear nail polish, which can serve as a top coat or a base coat, and can gloss up your nails very well. And a glitter kind of a nail polish. So I have mine in gold kind of a glitter, because I mostly put a gold overtone to my nails. So a clear nail polish and a glitter nail polish are very essential. You can use one in silver, gold, or whatever you feel like. So these were my basic nail colors that I feel that are very, very essential. Although there are many I have a kind of a color which is a kind of a pop color, which gives a sparkle and a nail art kind of a color. But I'm not much of a nail art person. I mostly keep my nails plain with a single shade on. I have tried nail art sometimes, but whenever it ruins down, I really feel very, very bad, which is why I don't use it. But these were my 10 categories of nail colors, which I would definitely advise you to have. Like if you're a minimalist kind of a girl and you only want to have 10 nail colors, these are the colors that will go with every kind of outfits or every kind of looks, whether you want to have an Indian festive, Indian wedding, workwear, coffee wear, party wear, whatever. Coffee wear is my term for coffee dates, for malls and all of it. Casual wear is what I should call it. So this was my video on nail colors, also showing you my nail color collection as some of you had requested. So this was all. Thank you very, very much for watching. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.